Cold and wet, the day is long. Puddles form where they belong. Gray skies moving round and round, chasing dreams on rainy ground. Umbrellas dance like lovers lost, drip dropping tight lips exhaust. City hums its quiet tune, footsteps echo out